Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Up English, where learning English is fun and easy.
Hi, everyone. I'm Anna. It's great to see you again.
How are you today, Anna?
I'm good, but a little tired
Why tired?
because I packed my suitcase.
Oh, are you traveling?
Yes, I'm flying tomorrow.
Perfect, because today's lesson is all about English for travel, useful phrases at the airport, in a hotel, and in a taxi.
Wow, that's exactly what I need. Let's start.
Part 1. At the airport. When you first arrive at the airport, the first thing you do is...
Check in.
That's right. Check in means to register for your flight. At the counter, the airline staff might say, "Hello, can I see your passport and ticket, please?"
And I can answer, here you are.
Perfect. Then they may ask, "Do you have any luggage to check in?"
That means big bags that go inside the plane, right?
Exactly. You can answer, "Yes, I have one bag."
Easy.
They might also ask, "Did you pack your bag yourself?"
I've heard that before. I'll say, yes, I did.
Great. Then they'll give you your boarding pass. That's the paper with your seat number and gate.
Oh, like gate 12, seat 15A.
Exactly. After that, you go to security check. The officer might say, "Please take off your jacket. Put your phone in the tray."
Right. And then I wait near my gate until they say, now boarding.
Now boarding means it's time to get on the plane. Part 2. On the plane. Once you're on the plane, the flight attendant may ask, "Would you like something to drink?"
I can say, orange juice, please, or water, please.
Nice. And if you're hungry, you can ask, "What do you have?" Or, "Can I see the menu?"
And maybe they'll say chicken or pasta.
Right. You can answer, "Chicken, please." If you need something, like a blanket, just say, "Excuse me, can I have a blanket, please?"
Oh, that's simple.
Yes. And always remember to say, "please." It makes your English sound polite and friendly. When the plane lands, you'll hear, "Please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is off."
That means I should wait before standing up?
Exactly. Then, take your hand luggage and go to immigration. Part 3, Immigration and Baggage Claim.
Immigration, that's where they check my passport, right?
Correct. The officer might ask, "What is the purpose of your visit?"
I can say, I'm here for vacation.
Perfect. Or, "I'm here for business." Then maybe, "How long will you stay?"
I'll stay for 5 days.
Excellent. "Where will you stay?"
At the Sunshine Hotel.
Nice. After that, go to baggage claim to get your suitcase.
And if I'm not sure, I can ask politely, excuse me, is this your bag?
Perfect. That's polite and natural.
Part 4. Taking a taxi. Now it's time to go to the hotel. The taxi driver might ask, "Where are you going?"
To the Sunshine Hotel, please.
Great. If you want to know the price, say, "How much is it to the Sunshine Hotel?"
Okay, easy.
And during the ride, you can ask, "How long does it take?"
Or if the driver asks, is this your first time here? I can say, yes, it's my first time. It's beautiful here.
Excellent. That's friendly small talk.
Part 5. At the hotel. You arrive at the hotel. The receptionist says, "Good evening. Welcome to the Sunshine Hotel. How can I help you?
I have a reservation. My name is Anna Lopez.
Very good. Then they'll ask, can I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you are.
They might say, please fill out this form.
I'll write my name, address, and phone number.
Exactly. Then they'll give you your room key. Your room number is 205.
Yay! Time to rest.
Don't forget breakfast. You can ask, what time is breakfast? Or, what's the Wi-Fi password, please?
And if I need something, I can call reception. Hello, this is room 205. Can I have an extra towel, please?
Perfect manners, Anna. Part 6. At the hotel restaurant. Next morning, you go to the restaurant. The waiter says, good morning. Would you like coffee or tea?
Coffee, please.
Then, would you like some toast or eggs?
Toast and eggs, please.
Great! You can also ask, do you have fruit juice? Or say, after eating, thank you, that was delicious.
That's polite and easy.
Part 7. Asking for directions. Now you want to explore the city. You can ask, excuse me, where's the nearest bus stop?
Or, how can I get to the city center?
Perfect. If you don't understand, just say, can you please repeat that?
Or maybe, can you say that slowly?
Exactly. Always polite, always clear. Part 8. Checking out and going home. On your last day at the reception, good morning. Are you checking out?
Yes, I'm checking out. Here's my key.
They might ask, did you take anything from the minibar? No, I didn't. And finally, you can say, thank you. I had a nice stay. Then call for a taxi. Can you call a taxi for me, please?
When I get in the taxi, I can say, to the airport, please.
Which terminal?
Terminal 2, please.
Great. And when you arrive, don't forget to say, thank you very much. Keep the change.
That's a kind way to end your trip.
Part 9. Review and challenge. Let's review today's key phrases. At the airport. Can I see your passport? Do you have any luggage? On the plane. Can I have some water, please? At immigration. I'm here for vacation. At the hotel. I have a reservation. What's the Wi-Fi password? At the restaurant. Can I have the bill, please?
I love these phrases. They're so useful for travelers.
Great! Now it's your turn. Imagine you're traveling. What would you say in these situations? Write your own conversation in the comments below.
And don't forget to like,
Part 9. Review and challenge.